Technology can be a helpful friend, no matter your age. Let's explore simple tech skills every senior should know, and why they're worth learning. Hi, how are you? First, let's talk about email and texting. These are essential tools for staying connected with loved ones and even your doctor. Texting lets you send quick messages, while email is great for sharing updates, photos, or scheduling appointments. Learning these basics means you can bridge the gap with friends and family instantly. It's easier than you think, just start practicing with short messages. Next up, Google, your personal library. Need to know tomorrow's weather, how to fix something, or learn a new recipe? Google's search bar is your gateway to endless information. It's also a fantastic way to learn new hobbies. Type what you're curious about and explore videos, articles, or guides. The more you search, the easier it gets. This is a world of endless information. Knowing how to navigate a computer can simplify your life so much, saving photos, writing documents, and even video chatting. Start by learning how to turn it on, use a mouse, and open programs. Ask a loved one or friend to guide you through the basics, or try beginner tutorials online. These small steps open up a world of possibilities. The internet offers countless resources to help you learn. Websites like YouTube or Khan Academy provide free lessons. And don't forget about local libraries or community centers. Many offer tech classes designed for seniors. Learning with others can make the process more enjoyable and less intimidating. It's never too late to start. My favorite is ChatGPT. This AI program can become that friend you can depend on. You can ask anything as many times as you want and never feel like you are bothering anyone. ChatGPT will come back to you right away with a full answer. If you still don't understand, ask in a different way, it will explain it any way that will help you learn. Technology is constantly evolving, and so can you. Keep asking questions, trying new things, and embracing challenges. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Remember, technology is a tool that can enrich your life. With just a few simple skills, you can stay connected, informed, and inspired. Let's keep learning together. The big takeaway from this video is to never stop learning. Stay curious. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips designed just for you.